As we get older, our bodies change and so do our energy levels. But what if you could feel more energetic every day just by adding a few simple foods to your diet? In today's video, we'll explore the top 5 foods that naturally boost energy for people over 60. Oats are a slow-releasing carbohydrate, meaning they give you steady energy throughout the day. They also help keep your blood sugar stable, preventing that midday crash. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, salmon supports brain health and reduces fatigue by improving blood flow and reducing inflammation. Packed with potassium, bananas help your muscles function properly and keep your energy levels balanced. Almonds and walnuts are excellent sources of healthy fats and protein, perfect for a quick snack that keeps you going without a sugar rush. Spinach, kale, and other leafy greens are rich in iron and magnesium, key minerals that help your body produce energy at the cellular level. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more health tips to keep you strong and energetic after 60.